What is happening, guys? Gary Jahman here, back at it again with a new video. Hope you're doing well, hope you're safe and happy. So let's begin right away with this little guy. It's all about this Sigma 18 to 50 millimeters f2.8 DC DN lens for your Sony mirrorless camera, and that is in this case for Sony crop sensor cameras such as the Sony a6000 series, but also the Sony ZV-E10. So let's unbox this together to see how it is on a full frame body, but also on my trusty old Sony a6000. So let's begin right away with unboxing this little guy. Comes in always in this small Sigma signature kind of box, right? Simple white. A lot of papers in it, some documentation. Put that aside. And now the lens itself, put that aside as well. Very curious. Ooh. Oh. Ho 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 ho. Ooh. Let's open up the lens hood itself. Oh, that's very small. But it feels very sturdy, if you know what I mean, right? It feels very sturdy. And here, the lens itself. Look at this, guys. This is very small and compact. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh la la. Oh, look at this. Wow. It sure feels nice. It sure feels really good in the hands. Let's put the lens hood on it. Well, look at this. Look at this. Oh. Let's do a size comparison. I've got here in my little drawer, I have the kit lens. As you see, it is bigger, of course, but like 2 times as big, right? Kit lens, and then the f2.8 lens. Looks like it's two times bigger. So let's switch things around. I'm gonna switch it first of all to the Sony a6000 to see how that looks, then on the Sony a7 III as well. So let's switch things right away to see how that goes. By the way, I'm filming on the Sony a6000 on with the Sigma 30mm lens at f2.8, and here it is, 18mm. Alright, so this is what you're seeing right now is at 18mm. Looks pretty cool. Let's zoom in to the same focal length. Alright, let's do a little testing. The minimum focus distance is actually really good. Look how close I can get. Alright, looks pretty good to me. Let's put this little guy on the big guy to see how that looks. Alright, so if you put a APS-C sensor lens on a full frame body, then you will get these vignetting, what you're seeing all around me. But if you zoom in a little bit, it might be a little bit, it actually gets smaller. Alright, so that's strange, feels like I'm in a little tunnel. But luckily we also have APS-C mode. So let's do that and switch things around, and then you'll see how it actually looks as well on a real crop sensor body. So what you're seeing right now is APS-C mode enabled. So now we don't have that vignetting. And looks actually perfectly fine, honestly. So zooming in, zooming out. I think this was roughly the same focal length as with my trusty old Jahman 2875. Autofocus seems to be working really well. Alright, so I'm gonna test this out. Also, after this video you will see some first impression videos and shots, stuff like that, with both the Sony a6000 and the Sony a7 III, so that you have also like a first impression from my side of things. And then in a few weeks we'll see the full review. So make sure to subscribe to the channel to see the full review. And as always, I want to wish you all the best. So stay safe, stay healthy. See you in the next one. Good luck.